Hi students, I am continuing the chapter trigonometric functions, and today I am going to discuss some problems about trigonometric equations. So it's very important. Listen carefully. So this is our first question. Find the principal and general solution of tan x equal to root 3. So let's start the solution of this question. Given that tan x equal to root 3. So we know that tan pi by 3 is the value of root 3, right? So here first we need to find out the principal solution. So here we get one of the principal solution as pi by 3, and we know that in principal solution the angle lies between 0 less than or equal to x less than or less than 2 pi. So angle lies between 0 and 2 pi. So next we need to find the another angle which is less than 2 pi which satisfies the same value. Okay, or which gives the value root 3. So here we know that tan pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. Right. So here I am going to use this formula here, that is tan pi by 3 can also be written as tan pi plus pi by 3. Replacing this theta by pi by 3, so it will become tan 3 pi plus pi by 3. 3 pi plus pi become 4 pi, and also write this divided by 3. So 4 pi by 3 is less than 2 pi value. So we get the principal solution of tan x is pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. Okay, I hope you understood. Next, in this question, the next part of the question is we need to find out the general solution. So general solution, we know that in a general solution of tan x equal to tan y, tan x equal to tan y, general solution x equal to n pi plus y, right? So here given that tan x value is root 3, so this can be written as tan pi by 3. So comparing these two term, that is here we get tan x equal to tan pi by 3. Comparing these two terms, here y is pi by 3. Okay, so the general solution become x equal to n pi plus, just replacing this y by pi by 3. So this is our answer. Okay, I hope you understood this question. This is our second question. Find the principal and general solution of cot x equal to minus root 3. So let's start the solution of this question. Cot x equal to minus root 3, and this can be also written as a minus of cot pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 is root 3. So don't forget to write this minus here. Okay. So we know that tan of minus x is equal to minus tan x, right? We know and again we know that the tan x is reciprocal of cot x, right? Or cot x is reciprocal of tan x. So this condition also satisfy in cot trigonometry function also. So cot minus x is equal to minus cot x. If we write it in cot of minus pi by 6, so here we get minus 30 degree. So principal solution solution, the angles lies between 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi. Angle lies between 0 and 360 degree, right? So here we get minus 30 degree. So this is not possible. So next I am going to write this minus cot theta, minus cot pi by 6 into. So listen carefully. Minus cot theta is equal to, this can be also written as cot pi minus theta, or cot 2 pi minus theta is also equal to minus cot theta. So if we draw the 4 quadrant, this is our 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and etc. It's continue like this. So pi, integral multiple of pi, pi remains the same of the trigonometric function, right? So cot pi minus theta become cot theta, and cot 2 pi minus theta become cot theta. Okay, so next we need to find out the sign of these answers. So here pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. So in second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive. So we need to write the answer in negative sign. So here we get minus cot theta. The next function also, cot 2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Only cos and sec are positive in fourth quadrant. So we need to write a negative here. So minus cot theta is equivalent to cot pi minus theta and cot 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so this can be written as cot pi minus, here theta is replacing this theta by pi by 6. This can be written as cot pi minus pi by 6, or minus cot pi by 6 can be written as cot 2 pi minus pi by 6. Okay, so first in the first step we will get cot 6 pi minus pi by 6. The next we get cot cross multiplying here, we get 12 pi minus pi by 6. Okay, and both are equivalent to minus cot pi by 6, or it can be written as cot 5 pi by 6 or cot 11 pi by 6. And these two angles are lies between 0 and 2 pi. So the principal solution of cot x equal to minus root 3 equal to 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Okay, so in the next question is we need to find out the general solution of this cot x equal to minus root 3. Here we get this is equivalent to cot 5 pi by 6. Take smallest angle. So 5 pi by 6 is the smallest angle comparing to these two angles. So cot pi by 6 is equivalent to minus root 3 value. So in general solution of tan x equal to tan y, general solution x equal to n pi plus y. We know that tan x is a reciprocal of cot x, right? So this can be also satisfying the same condition. If cot x equal to cot y, the general solution x equal to n pi plus y. So here comparing these two, here y is 5 pi by 6. So general solution x equal to n pi, replacing this y by 5 pi by 6, we get our general solution. Okay, I hope you understood. This is our next question. Find the general solution of cos 4x equal to cos 2x. So let's start the solution of this question. Cos 4x, given that cos 4x equal to cos 2x. So taking this cos 2x into LHS, it will become cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Okay, we know that cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2, right? So replacing this x by 4x and y by 2x, here we get minus is present here. So cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So replacing this x by 4x and y by 2x, here we get 2 minus 2 sin 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into sin 4x minus 2x by 2 equal to 0. Okay. So this negative sign and 2 goes to RHS. So it will become sin 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into sin 4x minus 2x divided by 2 equal to 0. Okay. So here it can be written as 4x plus 2x becomes 6x by 2 into sin of 4x minus 2x will become 2x by 2 equal to 0. Cancelling these 2 and this 6 and 2, it will become 3x here. So here we get sin 3x into sin x equal to 0. So either sin 3x equal to 0 or sin x equal to 0 in this condition. Right, we know that sin n pi is equal to 0. So we can write it as sin 3x is equal to sin n pi equal to 0. So here we get 3x is equal to n pi or x equal to n pi by 3. So general solution, one of the general solution here is x equal to n pi by 3, where n is an element of z, integer. Okay. So here sin x equal to 0, right? So here also we can write as sin x is equal to sin n pi equal to 0. So here we get x equal to n pi, right? So this n is always an element of z. So here we get two general solution. One is the general solutions are n pi by 3 and n pi. Note that here n is element of z. Okay. Find the general solution of cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. So let's start the solution of this question. Given that cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. So taking these two terms, we know that one of the identity cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Using this formula, I am going to replace this x by 3x and y by x. So in the next step will be 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 into cos 3x minus x by 2, and also write this minus cos 2x here. Okay, equating equal to 0. Okay, so this will become 2 cos 4x by 2 into cos 2x by 2 minus cos 2x equal to 0. So cancelling this 2 and 4, it become 2x here, and these cancelling these 2 here, and the next step will be 2 cos 2x into cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Right. So, if you observe this step, cos 2x is common in these two terms. So, taking this cos 2x outside, so it become cos 2x into 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So, in this question, we need to find out the general solution. So, either cos 2x equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. We get either cos 2x equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So here, cos 2x equal to 0, we know that cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2 is equal to 0, right? So equating both cos 2x equal to cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2 equal to 0. So here the angles are, if we equating these two angles, 2x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So from this x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by this 2 will goes to the RHS and it will become 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay. So the general solution is x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4 in first condition. Okay. So second condition, 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. From this 2 cos x equal to plus 1, cos x is equal to 1 by 2. We know that cos x equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, right? So write cos 60 here. So in general solution is in the form of cos x equal to, if cos x equal to cos y, the general solution x equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. So here comparing these two terms, y is equal to pi by 3. So here general solution x equal to 2n pi plus or minus, replacing this y by pi by 3. So here we get two general solution. Okay. In this question, find the general solution of sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. So let's start the solution of this question. So given that sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0, we know that sin 2x can also be written as 2 sin x cos x, right? So I'm using this formula here, replacing this sin 2x using 2 sin x into cos x plus this cos x remains same equal to 0. And here if you observe these two terms, cos x are common. So taking this cos x from this step, so it will become 2 sin x, cos x into 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So from this we can write it as cos x equal to 0. Either cos x equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So from this we can write as cos x equal to 0 if cos 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is equal to 0, right? So if we write both value is 0, so equating these two value, cos x equal to cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So here we get x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n is an element of z. So in the first term we get general solution as x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. In second term, 2 into sin x plus 1 equal to 0. From this 2 sin x equal to, taking this 1 to RHS, it will become minus 1 here. From this sin x equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So taking this minus here, and we know that sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, right? So sin x is also written as here minus sin pi by 6. So taking only positive value, minus sin theta can also be written as sin pi minus theta. Right. So here it is sin pi by 6. So replacing this theta by pi by 6, here we get sin of pi minus pi by 6. So using cross multiplication, 6 pi minus pi divided by 6 and sin 5 pi by 6. Here we get minus sin pi by 6 is equivalent to sin 5 pi by 6. Okay. So this can be written as sin x equal to sin 5 pi by 6. In general solution case, if sin x equal to sin y, general solution x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 all raised to n into y. So comparing these two, here y is 5 pi by 6. So general solution x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 all raised to n, y is 5 pi by 6. So these are two general solution of this question. Okay. And also write this n is always element of z. Okay, I hope you understood this question. In this question, we need to find the general solution of sec square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay, so let's start the solution of this question. Given that sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay, we know that one of the identity that 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x, right? So here the angle is 2x. So sec square, by using this formula, sec square 2x is equivalent to 1 plus tan square 2x. So I'm going to replace this tan square 2x by 1 plus tan square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay. So from this, taking all tan terms to LHS and constant term to RHS, it will become tan square 2x plus tan 2x equal to 1 minus 1 or equal to 0. So here we get tan square 2x plus tan 2x equal to 0. Here tan 2x is common, so taking tan 2x outside, here we get tan 2x into tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So either tan 2x equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 equal to, tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So next, if tan, we know that tan 0 is equal to 0. So next I am going to equating this tan 2x is equal to tan 0. Right. If in the general solution case, if tan x equal to tan y, general solution x equal to n pi plus y. Right. So comparing these two terms, here tan 2x equal to tan 0. So general solution 2x become n pi plus, here comparing these two, y is 0, right? Okay, so from this x equal to n pi by 2, taking this 2 to RHS, it will become x equal to n pi by 2. Always remember n is element of z, integer, set of all integer. Okay, this is one of the general solution. So next condition is tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. From this we get tan 2x equal to minus 1. We know that put this minus 1 here. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So replacing this 1 by tan pi by 4 we get tan 2x is equal to minus tan pi by 4. So this is a negative one. So we need to find out a positive angle value. Because it can be written as minus pi by tan minus pi by 4, right? Using tan minus x is equal to minus tan x. So here angle is negative. Angle is always positive here. So we know that tan minus tan theta is equivalent to tan pi minus theta. So here this minus tan pi by 4 can also be written as using this formula tan pi minus replacing this theta by pi by 4. Here we get tan pi by 4 is equivalent to tan 4 pi minus pi divided by cross multiplying this. Here we get 4 pi minus pi by 4 or equal to tan 3 pi by 4. Okay, minus tan pi by 4 is equivalent to tan 3 pi by 4. Okay, in general solution case, here we get tan 2x is equivalent to tan 3 pi by 4. So similarly, if tan x equal to tan y, general solution x equal to n pi plus y. So comparing these two, here instead of x, here 2x is present. So general solution 2x is equal to n pi plus y. Here y, comparing these two terms, y is 3 pi by 4. So replacing this, we get 2x equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, or here from x equal to dividing each term by 2. N pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8 is the general solution of tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so these are the two general solution. Always remember n is element of set of integer. Okay, this is our next question. Find the general solution of sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equal to 0. Okay, so let's start the solution of this question. Given that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equal to 0. So next I am going to take highest angle and smallest angle here. So taking sin 5x plus sin x together and sin 3x remains the same. Okay, so let us consider these two terms. We know that the formula, one of the identity sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Okay, so next I am going to replace this x by 5x and y by x here. So it will become 2 sin 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2, and also write this sin 3x equal to 0. And the next step, it will become sin 2 sin 5x plus x changes to 6x divided by 2 into cos 5x minus x changes to 4x divided by 2 plus sin 3x equal to 0. So cancelling this 2 and 6, it will become 3x here, and cancelling this 2 and 4, it will become 2x. So the in the next step it will become sine 3x 2 sine 3x into cos 2x plus sine 3x equal to 0. So if you observe these two terms, sine 3x is common, so taking outside we get sine 3x into 2 cos 2x plus 1 equal to 0. From this we can write it as either sine 3x equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So next we need to find out the general solution of sine 3x and 2 cos 2x plus 1 separately. So we know that sine n pi is equal to 0. So equating both two, so here we get sine 3x equal to sine n pi, right? So from this 3x equal to n pi or x equal to n pi by 3. So this is the general solution of sine 3x. And also, always note that n is an element of set of integer. And let us consider this term 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1, right? So cos 2x is equal to, taking this 2 to RHS, it will become minus 1 by 2. And we know that writing this minus here, cos 60 is 1 by 2, right? So minus cos pi by 3 here, we know that minus cos theta can also be written as cos pi minus theta. Okay, cos pi minus theta. So here replacing this theta by pi by 3, minus cos pi by 3 can also be written as cos pi minus pi by 3, or it will equal to cos 3 pi. Cross multiplication we get 3 minus pi by 3 or cos 2 pi by 3. So in the next step we get cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, cos 2x equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Here cos 2x equal to minus 1 by we get minus 1 by 2, or it can be written as minus cos pi by 3, or it can be equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So it's a positive angle, or it's between 0 and 2 pi. Okay. So next in general solution, if cos x equal to cos y, general solution x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y, right? So here comparing these two terms, here cos 2x equal to cos 2 pi by 3, right? Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So general solution 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus, comparing these two terms, here y is 2 pi by 3, so write 2 pi by 3 here. Or general solution we need only x value, right? So x equal to, from this x equal to 2n pi by 2 divided individually by 2 plus or minus 2 pi by 3 into 2. So cancelling these 2 here and here, the general solution is equal to x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So this is our general solution of 2 cos 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is our two general solution. First one is n pi by 3. Second one is n pi plus or minus pi by 3. And always write this n is belongs to set of integer. Okay. This is our next question. Solve 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x equal to 0. So let's start the solution of this question. Given that 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x equal to 0. So next I am going to convert this cos square x in terms of sin square x. We know that cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1, right? From this cos square x is equal to 1, we get 1 minus sin square x. So next I am going to substitute, replace this cos square x by 1 minus sin square x here. So here it will become 2 into 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin x equal to 0. Okay. Open this bracket. It will, the next step will be 2 minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x equal to 0. Next I am going to take a whole this term into RHS. So this will become minus 2 sin square x become plus sin square x plus 3 sin x will become minus 3 sin x plus 2 will become minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Next, I am going to convert this minus 3 sin x by plus sin x minus 4 sin x. Remaining terms remains the same. So, this is equivalent to minus 3 sin x, right? Sin x minus 4 sin x is equivalent to minus 3 sin x. Okay. So, let us consider first these two terms. Here, sin x is common. So, taking sin x from these two terms, we get 2 sin x plus 1. Okay. And here also, let us consider these two terms. Minus 2 is common. So, taking minus 2 from these two terms, here we get minus 2 into 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So, if you observe these two terms, 2 sin x plus 1 term is common. So, taking 2 sin x plus 1 from these two terms, here we get 2 sin x plus 1 into sin x minus 2 equal to 0. So, solve means we need to find out the value of x. Okay. So, it's a general solution. We need to find out general solution. Okay. So, first we need, from this, we can write it as 2 sin x, either 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0 or sin x minus 2 term equal to 0. Okay. From this, 2 sin x is equal to, taking this 1 to RHS, it will become minus 1. And sin x equal to, from this sin x equal to minus 1 by 2. Right. So, write this minus here. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, write sin pi by 6 here. And we know that a negative term angle is not used in a general solution. So, it making a negative positive angle. So, we need to make this negative angle to positive angle. And we know that minus sin theta can also be written as sin pi plus theta. Okay. So, here it is sin pi by 6. Replacing this theta by pi by 6, we get sin pi plus pi by 6 here. And by using cross multiplication, this step will become 6 pi minus pi by 6. Sorry, plus 6 pi plus pi by 6. Or the final answer will be sin 7 pi by 6. Okay, so this sin x is equivalent to sin 7 pi by 6. Okay, So in general solution case, if sin x equal to sin y, general solution x equal to n pi plus minus 1 all raised to n y. Right. So here comparing these two terms, y is equal to 7 pi by 6. So the general solution x equal to n pi plus minus 1 all raised to n 7 pi by 6. Okay, where n is an element of integer. Okay, so this is our general solution of 2 sin x plus 1. Next we need to find out general solution of sin x minus 2 equal to 0. So from this we get sin x equal to 2. And it is not possible, right? The maximum value of sin x is positive 1 and minimum value of sin x is minus 1. So sin x cannot get a value 2. So this is not possible. This is not possible. So the answer is, final answer is general solution x equal to n pi plus minus 1 all raised to n into 7 pi by 6 is our final answer. Okay, I hope you understood. This is our last question. Solve sin 2x minus sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 0. So here we need to find out the general solution x. So let's start the solution of this question. Given that sin 2x minus sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 0. So taking this small angle and large angle together, so it will become sin 6x plus sin 2x, and also write this minus sin 4x here. So taking these two terms together, we know that one of the identity sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Right. So replacing this x by 6x and y by 2x, here we get 2 sin 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x by 2. And also write this minus sin 4x here equal to 0. Okay. So this will become 2 sin of 6x plus 2x is 8x by 2 into cos of 6x minus 2x will be 4x, right? By 2 minus sin 4x equal to 0. And cancel this 2 and 8, here we get 4, and also this 2 and 4, here we get 2. So the next step will be 2 sin 4x into cos 2x minus sin 4x equal to 0. So if we observe this step, sin 4x is common, so taking sin 4x from these two terms, it will become 2 cos sin 4x into 2 cos 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So from this, either sin 4x equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Right. So next we need to find out general solution of these two individually, and we know that sin n pi is also 0. So equating these two, we can write it as sin 4x is equal to sin n pi. From this we get 4x equal to n pi. From this x equal to n pi by 4, where n is an element of z. Okay, so this is first general solution of our first element sin 4x equal to 0. Okay, next we need to find out general solution of this function. So from this we get 2 cos 2x is equal to, taking this minus 1 to RHS, it will become positive 1. From this cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2, right? So we know that cos 60, that is cos pi by 3, is equivalent to 1 by 2. In general solution, if cos x equal to cos y, general solution x is equal to 2n pi plus y. So comparing these two terms, 2x is equal to general solution, 2x is equal to, here y is pi by 3, so 2n pi plus pi by 3. And from this x equal to dividing individually by 2, here we get 2n pi by 2 plus pi by 3 into 2. Okay, and this will be further equal to, cancelling these 2. So the general solution of 2 cos 2x minus 1 equal to 0 will become n pi plus pi by 3. Also note that n is an element of z. Okay, so these are the general solution of our question, sin 2x minus sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 0. Okay.